Hello, in today's tutorial we are gonna see how to make a door system like this where you can clearly see the door is locked right now, but I go here, the door gets unlocked and we can pass through. I'll show you how to make this in Unreal Engine 5 using blueprints. First, let's create a first person uh, with a starter content on a new file. Here I've made a small cave-like structure. You don't have to do this, but I'm just doing this for visual purposes. We need a blueprint and we need an actor. We will call it BP underscore door. We want a static mesh. We want a static mesh, and here we're gonna select door. And we have our door ready. For this purposes, I'm just gonna change the shape of the door a little bit. I'm gonna make it a much wider, and then I'm gonna compile. Oh, it's still too small. I wanted it to be big enough for the door. I think I can change it like this as well. Okay, our door is ready. It is kind of stretched, but whatever. To progress, first we have to go into the event graph. Then, first and foremost, we need to create two custom events. Add custom event, open door, and another one, close door. After we get two events, we're gonna drag them a little bit away from the main structure, and here we want add timeline. Add timeline. We are going to name it door opening, door timeline, or door animation. We do F2, DOOR animation. Now we want another node called relative set relative location. Location of we are choosing static mesh so that the target is automatically connected. I want you to come down a little. You can go a bit further away, and then we are going to connect open door with play, closed door with reverse, update to here. We still haven't specified the location, so we're gonna put a multiply node, and we're going to connect direction. Oh wait, we don't have this right now. We have to double click on the door animation, add a track, float track. I am gonna name it left, and then I'm gonna put a shift select 0, enter, and then I'm going to set the length as 1. value as 1 as well. Enter 1, enter. And now I can save this. I can go back to the event graph and there is going to be a left. You just have to connect it to here, and then the value of I think y is going to be negative 150. Now we also need a collision box, so we go to components, add one box collision, and we are gonna uh, connect it under a static mesh. Then we go to viewport and we match the area around it. We need this big, this tall, a bit ahead. That should be a good collision box. So the next thing that we are gonna do is basically going to event graph and begin overlap. We're gonna use this one, and I'm gonna add a branch here. I'm going to add a equals to, like this. I'm gonna connect the branch here, condition here, and add a get player character. We have to find get player character, PL player character right here, and we have to connect it right here, and the other actor like this. So, and then if true, we want to connect to open door. This will be our work. Okay, that is done. Now I am gonna copy this entire value, paste it here, paste it right here, and then I'm gonna add event actor end overlap, and I'm going to connect it to branch, other actor to this, and true to close door. 100. Let's see if this works. I think it has to be 150. First and foremost, we need to increase the collider area. So we go to viewport, and then collision, I'm gonna increase it in size so that we don't have to deal with annoying close-up shots. And then here I'm gonna make it 200, and this is perfect. Let's check. The door is opening and we can enter and exit. There is our door system working. This is going to be the end of part 1. In part 2 we are going to start working at a button.